For this IKEA hack, you're going to need 4 bar stools from IKEA. I managed to get these on the Lego app for $10. Cha-ching! I got this yarn at Michael's for $22 and I already own the scissors. This is the image that inspired my project, but not for this price point. Let's get started. Unroll the yarn and cut 2 pieces that are 5 feet long. I swear this is my happy face. I'm smiling inside. Alright, so boom. You're gonna take those 2 pieces that you just cut, remember 5 feet long, and you're gonna make an X. This part right here reminds me of SpongeBob when he was like, you do the loop-de-loop and pull. So pay attention because this is gonna get hard. Okay, so this piece that I'm grabbing right now is yarn A. You're gonna take yarn A and cross it over yarn B. But when you do that, you're also gonna make a little knot on yarn A so that you can identify where you started. So now you continue on to take yarn B and then you cross it over yarn C. Once you've done that, then you are going to go ahead and take yarn C and put that over yarn D. Again, once you've done that, you're going to take yarn D and you're going to tuck it into yarn A and you're going to pull. After pulling, it should look like this. Now we're going to repeat the process, starting with making a knot so that you know where you started. Next, you're going to cross yarn A over the top of yarn B. Then you're going to cross yarn B over yarn C over yarn D, and tuck yarn D into yarn A and begin to pull.
3 hours later.
Make sure that you pull tight so that it looks like this. Okay, so next we're going to center the knot on the stool and you're going to wrap the yarn around each leg. Do the stinky leg, do the stinky leg. Okay, I'm not gonna, that's my corny. So right here is where you're going to begin to interlace the yarn around the leg. And then you're gonna swing that bitch across. And you're going to begin to tuck it under the yarn that is right across. Continue to interlace and just work your way around until you cover the entire stool. Yeah, that sounded good. I'm gonna fast forward this part because it's literally just doing the same thing. Doop, 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 doop. You doop, 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 doop. And you're just gonna weave it through. You're gonna tuck it under the leg. You know, that stanky leg. Ooh, look at that booty bounce. And you're almost done. So again, you're gonna see the finished product. I'm not gonna front. I can't believe I pulled this off. Bitch, and I made 4 of these for $22. Where are my coupon cutting money saving people? You heard? Anyways, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Nos vemos, mi gente. Bye.